Okay, in this short video, we're going to show you how to install to your basement foundation wall rigid foam insulation opposed to fiberglass or encapsulated fiberglass. Because this is a wet wall, we want to make sure everything is maintained with no mildew or mold. So at the bottom you can see our French drain. In a prior video, if you look through my channel, you'll see installing a vapor barrier. You'll also see how we corrected this failed French drain. So now that we're at the point where we have our vapor barrier fully installed, taped and sealed, tucked down behind the plastic to the French drain, so nothing but moisture goes behind that black corrugation. So the easiest way I could tell you, okay, instead of making this thing go septic again, just sucking up moisture somewhere, I like to use the rigid foam. Owens Corning, this has an rfactor of 5. And simply put, the way you can work it out, because you're not installing it prior to your studs, I just cut 16-inch lengths. And if you can see right here, it starts out. The first one's a little more because I'm tucked behind the wall. Come right off the next piece, 16, next piece, 16. And then what you do is you line it up. It's the same cut, so it's a perfect match. Butt them up, tape the joint. Tape the joint, tape the joint. All the way down till you get a full wall. And then if you look into the corner, you can see that's a nice setup in there. Now what I'll do is I'll spread this, I'll get in there and I'll shoot an epoxy in there. That glue is made for this product. It's Owens Corning foam caulk and adhesive. The other thing that you could actually do is you can run that adhesive, which I like to also do, is run down the seam this way. Just right up on the steel joint, run it down, same thing, every joint you have. That locks that in place. You don't have to worry about any shifting, you don't have to worry about any pushback or anything. And then this way it holds itself and maintains. Now what I like to do, I don't like to go all the way down in front of the corrugation. Okay, I like to sit right on top of it, all the way down. And that'll still provide a nice R factor for you of 5. Alright, so short video. Hope this helps you out. Alright, if you like the video, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell so you can get updates as we upload more videos on DIY home improvements. Okay, and thanks again for watching. Have a great day.